This is a review of my custom tire stickers that I would highly recommend. These tire stickers are custom so you can have it towards any type of color and any type of wording. Like you can see mine, obviously it says Batmobile and then it has a bat logo and then it says Gotham City. It says all the wording in there like you can see. And the install, like I do want to talk about a little bit, is that it was fairly easy and it's really time consuming, but if you do it right, then you could get your results just like this. Now what it comes with is a set of tire glue that you should use. You do not want to use any other glue like Gorilla Glue or Super Glue. You should always use what it comes with, which is, the tire sticker glue, the official tire sticker glue, and that's what I used. The most important part towards the installation for these tire stickers is the install, and you would want to use this. I use acetone, clean strip acetone, and this is a separate, it doesn't come with it, but that's what I would use if you're going to install this. And it's really easy to do the install. Like I mentioned, it comes with the tire glue and it comes with also a cleaner too, so you can use this to clean your tire stickers whenever they get wear and tear and dirty. I would use this because it's very important. If they get blacked up and dirty, you use that to clean it up. It comes with a big bottle. And the first thing to install it is, first you need to prep the surface, so it takes about like a day. Well, I spent like almost a day, but it could take like a couple hours to clean all 4 tires and prep them up with acetone. Use a dirty microfiber cloth or rag and just keep on wiping it up on these tires. Wherever you're going to mount it, you should always measure before you install it. Like I measured mine where it says Nitto, and I skipped right here, and then where it says NT55, and then I went to right here. Measure before you do this, but I would first start using three letters. Like I don't do the whole thing, because if you do the whole thing you could probably mess up. Do it one by one. It comes like a decal strip with each tire sticker, whatever wording you get. Then I would do 3, like let's say for example BAT, use 3 of them, and then after you just stick it on there, use the acetone that it comes with, and then clean the surface. And also the tire sticker glue, use 3 of them, but don't apply too much, because if you apply too much you could mess up. Use a few, like don't apply too much glue, a little bit of glue, and then you just stick it on, to wait 3 to 5 minutes and keep holding it down. And then as slowly as you go, you just peel it off and you keep on going to the next one, and then you go to the next one like that, and then you just go like that. And that's how I did it. I did very few, I didn't do too much. I just, like for example on the bottom here, I did GOT and then waited, put the tire sticker glue, and then waited 3 to 5 minutes, and then I kept going like that. So that is one important thing you would want to do, and that's what helped me to get the perfect install and the perfect look towards the car. I would highly recommend these tire stickers from Tire Stickers because of how it makes the car stand out. It makes it unique. You get a bunch of compliments. I get a bunch of compliments every single day. These are probably a game changer to do on your car if you want it to stand out from the crowd. Overall, I would highly recommend this. These are permanent set. They're not temporary, so if you do it right, they will never come off. It could last more than the tire, basically more than how much the lifespan the tire is if you do it right like I did. And I would highly recommend it. The yellow looks really amazing. It matches with my theme, and I would highly recommend these tire stickers if you're looking to stand out from the crowd and you just want to be unique. Then this is probably one of the best car mods to do.